best drinks to repair nerves and prevent nerve damage. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Imagine your nerves as the intricate wiring of your body's communication system. From every heartbeat to every movement, our nerves play a vital role in orchestrating it all. But did you know that the fast-paced modern lifestyle, stress, and even the passage of time can take a toll on these essential messengers? That's why today, we're diving deep into a topic that's often overlooked yet immensely crucial: nerve health. Get ready to discover the key to maintaining overall well-being as we unveil the secrets of the 7 best drinks that not only repair nerves but also shield them from damage. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you. 1. Green Tea Elixir. Now, let's dive into the heart of nerve-loving refreshments with our first contender, the invigorating Green Tea Elixir. Beyond its deliciousness, green tea boasts antioxidants and anti-inflammatory heroes that wage war against oxidative stress, a notorious saboteur of nerve well-being. With each sip, you're arming your nerves with catechins and polyphenols, standing as guardians against potential damage. This emerald elixir isn't just a beverage, it's a ritual that fortifies nerve repair while nurturing your taste buds. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. As we journey through the realm of nerve-reviving elixirs, we now venture into the world of the Berry Blast Smoothie, a kaleidoscope of flavors and a cornucopia of vitality. Prepare to indulge in the goodness of nature's treasures as we blend together a symphony of berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and more. These little powerhouses of taste and health are brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that hold the key to nerve regeneration and damage prevention. Imagine each sip as a surge of nourishment, delivering a potent blend of vitamin C and B vitamins essential for maintaining the protective myelin sheath around nerve cells. Meanwhile, anthocyanins and flavonoids, the antioxidants that paint berries with their vibrant hues, stand as your nerve's stalwart guardians, fending off oxidative stress and inflammation. This smoothie isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a toast to your nerves' well-being, a reminder that every flavorful sip fuels your nervous system's resilience and vitality. So, blend, sip, and revel in the Berry Blast Smoothie, a delicious testament to your commitment to nurturing your nerves. 3. Turmeric Golden Milk. Stepping into a realm of soothing warmth and ancient healing, our spotlight now shines on the Turmeric Golden Milk, a comforting elixir steeped in tradition and tailored for nerve well-being. At its heart lies turmeric, the radiant spice celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective prowess. Within its golden depths, curcumin takes the stage, orchestrating a symphony of benefits that gently cradle your nervous system. With each sip, turmeric's anti-inflammatory embrace provides respite from nerve pain and discomfort, safeguarding their function and resilience. Meanwhile, curcumin's vigilant guard shields nerve cells from oxidative stress and toxins, cultivating an environment of protection and repair. This isn't just a beverage, it's an homage to generations of wisdom, a testament to the power of nature's bounty in nurturing our nerves. So, whether it graces your evening ritual or offers solace in a midday pause, remember that Turmeric Golden Milk is more than a drink, it's an ode to your nerves' vitality. 4. Citrus Infused Water. Continuing our odyssey through nerve-reviving elixirs, we cast a spotlight on the simple yet invigorating citrus-infused water, a hydration ritual that goes beyond quenching thirst. Bursting with the vibrancy of citrus fruits, this concoction introduces a powerhouse ally for nerve function, vitamin C. Imagine each sip as a conductor orchestrating seamless signals within your nervous system, fostering harmonious communication between cells. By infusing your water with the zesty essence of oranges, lemons, or grapefruits, you're not only enhancing flavor but also elevating nerve nourishment. Adequate hydration, crucial for nerve health, finds its partner in this vibrant blend, as well-hydrated nerves transmit signals with efficiency. With each revitalizing sip, you're toasting to your commitment to holistic well-being and nurturing your nerves' intricate dance. 5. Omega-3 Rich Flaxseed Shake. Our journey through nerve-nurturing elixirs takes a luscious turn with the omega-3 Rich Flaxseed Shake, a velvety concoction that taps into the potent magic of omega-3 fatty acids. These nutritional champions are the architects of nerve well-being, their presence vital for maintaining the flexibility and function of nerve cell membranes, ensuring smooth signaling and transmission. Flax seeds, the unassuming heroes of our shake, hold the treasure trove of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a potent omega-3 fatty acid that not only fortifies nerve cells but also fuels their growth and regeneration. As you sip this creamy potion, you're not just enjoying a treat, you're providing your nerves with the foundational support they crave. This shake is a declaration of your commitment to nurturing nerve vitality, each sip a step closer to the harmonious symphony of well-functioning nerves. Whether it graces your mornings or becomes a post-workout delight, every indulgent sip is an investment in your nerves' resilience and vibrancy. 6. Coconut Water Electrolyte Drink. Venturing further into our quest for nerve revitalization, we find ourselves amidst a tropical haven, the Coconut Water Electrolyte Drink. Imagine sipping from nature's own wellspring of renewal, as each drop of this hydrating elixir delivers a symphony of electrolytes crucial for nerve vitality. Potassium, sodium, magnesium, and calcium dance in harmonious precision, governing nerve impulses and maintaining the delicate equilibrium of your nervous system. With every sip, you're not only quenching your thirst but also replenishing your nerves with essential minerals, offering them the tools to function at their peak. This isn't merely a drink, it's a testament to your dedication to nerve well-being and balance. Whether it accompanies your post-workout recovery or graces your everyday routine, each indulgent sip reverberates with the melody of equilibrium that courses through your nerves. So, here's to the Coconut Water Electrolyte Drink, a tribute to nerve health, an ode to nature's wisdom, and a refreshing reminder of the power of hydration. 7. Herbal Calming Tea. Continuing our enchanting quest through nerve-reviving elixirs, we now find ourselves at the serene crossroads of the Herbal Calming Tea, a potion that doesn't merely grace your senses but cradles your nerves in a tranquil embrace. Envision a brew crafted from nature's wisdom, with fragrant chamomile, soothing lavender, and calming passionflower uniting to orchestrate a symphony of relaxation. Each sip becomes a pathway to tranquility, as these botanical wonders work harmoniously to reduce stress, lower cortisol levels, and create an inner haven of calm. By indulging in the restorative ritual of calming teas, you're crafting a sanctuary for your nerves, allowing them to thrive in an environment free from chronic tension and stress-induced wear and tear. With every cup, you're not just sipping comfort, you're fostering a space that honors your commitment to nurturing nerve health. So, whether it graces your serene evenings or becomes a mindful interlude during the day, this tea is more than a beverage, it's an ode to your nerve sanctuary. In the symphony of nerve well-being, we've uncovered a harmonious medley of nerve-supportive elixirs that stand as beacons of vitality for your nervous system. From the invigorating green tea elixir to the serene herbal calming tea, each sip has unveiled a new layer of nature's wisdom, nurturing your nerves from within. Remember, your nerve health is a cornerstone of your overall well-being, and these elixirs, coupled with mindful lifestyle choices, can weave a tapestry of resilience and balance. So, whether you're embracing the antioxidants of green tea or savoring the soothing notes of herbal calm, prioritize your nerves and let their vitality resonate through every facet of your life. If you found this journey enlightening and enriching, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more transformative content, and share this video with fellow seekers of wellness. Your support fuels our mission to guide you towards a life brimming with health and vitality. With that said, thank you for embarking on this voyage with us. Until next time, may your nerves dance to the rhythm of vibrant well-being.